My company, Docomo Digital, is an innovative payment solution provider with over 15 years of experience offering our advanced mobile commerce solutions, in the market. We are connected now over 200 mobile telco operators along 35 countries. We are managing more than 300 global and local payments. The main business driver, in particular from a marketing point of view, is try to find the real optimization. In other words, we are talking about to spend the same amount of investment and to get better results. How we can achieve this objective in my view, is very simple. It's thanks to the big data plus machine learning plus artificial intelligence tools.
Now, with Hadoop, we can have more efficient machine learning algorithms, and we can have our data lake, an enterprise data hub, so the data can exploit its full potential.
The business result and the impact has been very positive. We were able to develop very sophisticated artificial intelligence tools based on machine learning, in particular A/B testing solutions that are giving us the possibility to offer to our client in real time what is the best advertising material for increasing the conversion rate.